Last time, Rose Raid, Ponyta. I can mark that off my list in Rose Raid. Roaring Moon. I think that's the last one. No, Miraidon's the last one. And this one's like, oh, super shiny. Miraidon EX. Now the continuation. Last 2 packs. I'm going to go with Walking Wake. Next we have Deerling, Pidove, Pineco, Mywall, Eerie, good one, Centiscorch, Buddy Poffin. Ooh, I can mark that off my list. Palafin, Chatot, come on, I need it. Oh, another Gouging Fire, cool. We're down to the last pack. Iron Crown. Okay, one sec. Ah, cool. Licky. Metang. That's a good one. Karkle. Already got. Grottle. That's a good one, but not the Grottle I have. Reuniclus. Explorer's Guidance, Latias, Victini. Yeah, I'm heading into the hollows. Excadrill, Whimsicott. I can mark it off my list. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, that's... Okay, what was Whimsicott? So... Anyway, that's about it. So until next time, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, also ring that bell for more notifications. And also, share this video with your family and friends. And until then, love ya, stand out, and be the best you can be. Bye!